I think a lot of people are buying AdCreative AI for the wrong reason. They're hoping it's going to create a winning ad with one click, turn on the campaign, and sales just start rolling in. I wish it worked like that. After spending time with AdCreative AI, I realized it's much better to think of it as an idea generator than a miracle machine. And honestly, once I changed that expectation, I started appreciating what it actually does well. The first thing I tested was simple. I gave it the same product I'd used in a few previous campaigns and let it generate multiple ad creatives. Within minutes, I had headlines, images, and different design variations that would have taken me much longer to make manually. Not every version was great, but I wasn't expecting every version to be. Here's something marketers already know. You rarely find a winning ad on the first try. You test, you change the headline, you swap the image, you adjust the call to action, then you test again. That's exactly where AdCreative AI starts becoming useful. Instead of spending hours designing 10 different concepts from scratch, it gives you several starting points almost instantly. That means you can spend more time testing ideas instead of building them. Now, would I launch an expensive ad campaign using the very first creative it generated? Absolutely not. I'd still rewrite parts of the copy. I'd replace some visuals. I'd make sure the message actually sounds like my brand. The AI gets you moving faster, but it doesn't replace knowing your audience. So, who do I think gets the most value from this? Marketing agencies juggling multiple clients, e-commerce store owners constantly testing new products, freelancers creating ads every week, startup founders who need to move fast without hiring a full design team. If you're only running one campaign every few months, the subscription might be hard to justify. But if testing new creatives is already part of your business, saving hours every week quickly becomes real money. So, can AdCreative AI create ads that actually convert? It can absolutely help you create more ads to test. Whether those ads convert still depends on your offer, your audience, your targeting, and the decisions you make after the AI finishes its part. That's the truth most reviews leave out. Now I'm curious. If you could improve just one part of your ads today, what would it be? Better headlines, stronger visuals, higher click-through rates, or more conversions? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to know where you're stuck.